So children, in chemical kinetics, to find the order of a reaction, we have a formula. If the rate law expression is rate into k into a to the power of x into b to the power of y, then to find the order, we need to take the sum of x and y. So we will get this order of a reaction. So we have few questions to find out the order. In the first question, this is the rate expression, where to find out the order, we are going to add the powers on A and the powers on B. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, we will get order second. In the second case, the power on the A is 3 by 2, plus into minus is minus, and power on the B is 1 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1, you will get half order. Similarly, for this particular rate expression, the power on the reactant A is 1 and B is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Similarly, now we should know the units of rate constant K. If the order of a reaction is 0, then the unit of rate constant is mole per liter per second. If the order is first, then the unit of rate constant K is per second. If the order is second, then the unit is mole per mole liter per second. So these are the units we need to remember of rate constant: 0, first and second. Now the relation between order of a reaction and the unit of rate constant, but seeing this, we can write the relation between order and unit of rate constant is mole per liter whole to the power of 1 minus n per second, where n is the order of a reaction. So based on the unit, we can decide the order. If it is per second, it is first order. So for which reaction the unit of rate and rate constants are same, and answer is 0 order. In 0 order, the unit of rate and rate constants are same. And for this particular question, rate constant K is 10 to the power of minus 4 per second. So by seeing per second, we can say it is first order. And in this question, rate constant K is 5.6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 mole per liter per second. And by seeing the unit mole per liter per second, we can decide the order is 0. Similarly, for this, rate constant K value is 2.3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 liter per mole per second. By seeing the unit liter per mole per second, we can decide the order as second. Now, if a complex reaction, if the reaction taking place in more than one step, it is complex. In a complex reaction, the rate determining step will be the slowest step. In slowest step, we can determine the rate. So similarly, the reaction mechanism which decides the order of a reaction is the slowest step. And in a slowest step of a complex reaction, order and molecularity will be same. That we have to remember. We have one numerical. In a chemical reaction, A plus B gives rise to C plus D. The concentration of reactant A alone is increased by 2 times. The rate is increased by 4 times. Then second part of the question, if the concentration of both A and B are increased by 2 times, the rate is increased by 8 times. Then what is the order of a reaction with respect to A and B? So first of all, we can write the rate expression. Rate is equal to K into A to the power of X and B to the power of Y. And in the first case, if we increase the concentration of A alone by 2 times, then concentration of A is equal to 2. Then rate, they said it is increased by 4 times. So rate is equal to 4K. Then this rate value 4K and A value 2, we are going to substitute in the rate equation. Then we will get 4K is equal to K into 2 to the power of X and B 1 to the power of 1 to the power of Y. So B concentration, we can take it as 1. So when you substitute and calculate, you will get the x value 2. Similarly, in second case, if both A and B concentration, if we increase by 2 times, then the rate is going to increased by 8 times. So rate is equal to 8k, rate is equal to 8k is equal to k into 2 to the power of 2, because x value is 2, that's why 2 to the power of 2 we have taken, into 2 to the power of y. When we calculate, we will get y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. So this is the rate expression, and when we add 2 plus 1, which is, we will get 3, that is the order of a reaction. 3 is the order of a reaction.